Want to create your own HandBrake preset for repeated video conversions? Custom presets let you save your preferred encoding settings and quickly apply them to future videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create custom presets in HandBrake in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch HandBrake and click Open Source. Select a video that you want to use when configuring your custom preset. Using a typical video from your regular workflow can make it easier to build a preset that works for the content you usually encode. Next, configure the settings you want your custom preset to use. Review the video encoder, quality, dimensions, frame rate, audio, subtitles, and output format. Only change the options you actually want to standardize, because these settings will be applied whenever you use the preset. Once your settings are ready, open the Presets menu and choose the option to create a new preset. Enter a clear name that describes what the preset is for. For example, you could call it 4K H.265, YouTube upload, or small file size. Now review the preset options and choose the output format and other settings you want the preset to control. Make sure the configuration matches your intended workflow. If you're creating separate presets for different tasks, use descriptive names so you can easily tell them apart later. After saving, open the Presets menu and find your new custom preset. Select it to apply your saved settings to the current video. You can now reuse these settings without manually configuring every option again. Finally, open another video and apply your custom preset. Review the settings, choose your output destination, and click Start Encode. So if the test produces the result you want, your custom preset is ready for future encoding jobs. And that's how to create custom presets in HandBrake. Configure your preferred settings, save them as a custom preset, give it a useful name, and test it with another video. Once you've created presets for your most common workflows, you can save a lot of time on future encodes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.